Don't throw away your coffee grounds. Most people think it's just waste, but if used properly, it can help chili plants grow stronger, produce more flowers, and bear more fruit. Watch how I use it. First, I pour about 1 liter of water, equivalent to 4 cups, into a clean container. Next, I add 2 tablespoons of dried coffee grounds to the container. You should use dried coffee grounds because they help prevent mold and reduce fermentation smells. Stir well to mix the coffee grounds with the water, then let it soak for about 24 hours. During this time, some of the soluble compounds in the coffee grounds will slowly diffuse into the water. When soaked in water, a small amount of potassium, magnesium, along with organic compounds and natural antioxidants will dissolve into the solution. These nutrients help support healthy chili plant growth, improve plant vigor, and create favorable conditions for flowering and fruit set. Strain out all the coffee grounds and keep only the liquid. This step helps make the solution clearer and reduces residue buildup on the soil surface when watering your plants. Have you ever tried using coffee grounds to care for your chili plants? Share your experience in the comments below. Now the solution is ready to use and can be applied directly to your chili plants. This is my chili plant about 2 weeks after planting. At this stage, it is growing rapidly and starting to need additional nutrients to develop a strong root system and support healthy, lush foliage. Before watering, I remove all the weeds and gently loosen the soil around the base of the plant. For chili plants, I usually apply the solution once every 7 to 10 days, especially during the vigorous growth stage and just before flowering. I always water the plant first. Moist soil helps the roots absorb nutrients more effectively. Apply the solution directly to the base of the chili plant and avoid pouring it on the leaves or flowers. This helps the nutrients reach the root zone and lowers the risk of damaging the leaves and flowers. You should apply the solution early in the morning or late in the afternoon. These cooler times help the plant absorb nutrients more effectively and reduce rapid water evaporation. Using this solution every 2 to 3 weeks, along with proper care and balanced fertilization, will help your chili plants grow vigorously, produce more flowers, and improve fruit set. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.